LN106, or all the L series motors. Glow plug fuse. The fuse is located in this fuse box, driver's side, under the bonnet. So what happened in the rollover? We blew the fuse, so that sits in there. The alternator fuse is 100 amp, the glow plug fuse is 80 amp. So in the rollover, something happened. We broke the case of the alternator fuse, but we also blew the fuse for the glow circuit. So we're going to show you how to change it. It's not just a pull out and pop back in. As you can see, they've got long forks here with holes in them. So we've got to undo this fuse box. There's a bolt on the side here and there's a bolt that bolts down. So we'll undo them. Then we've got two little tabs here that we unclick. And there's a tray at the bottom of this that we want to be able to separate the bottom tray from the box itself. So this is the tray that sits under the fuse box. There's been a lot of mud in there. Then we need to push those two fuses through. But what we're going to do first, because that's live, we're going to disconnect this battery. Battery disconnected. There's no chance now of blowing ourselves up or doing any damage. Now I undid the earth and I still had power on that, so that still earths out. So you got to get rid of the positive. Push this through. So there we have it. That's where the two small bolts go through on the bottom of the fork. So we undo both sides, then we can pull this out and put the new one in. We get the broken fuse out, a bolt each side, and then we slip the new fuse back through and then bolt back in. That new one in, I have power to both sides of that fuse, which I didn't have before because it was broken. All right, all back together. It's very tight in there. Let's have a check. All right, we have glow, and as Brian calls it, my panic light. Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to order the alternator one. I thought I had one, but that's a 60 and another 80. We need 100 for the alternator. Not having that alternator fuse, I've done a bit of a band-aid fix. I'm pretty sure that circuit actually works, so I've taped it up to keep it a little bit waterproof, and we'll get one off Michael. We'll check that everything works. We've got the glow light. There's the alternator circuit, 14.4, it's charging. So that's all good. Okay, I hope this helps for all you LN boys and girls. And as always, thanks for watching.